Guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to stake your welds using 7018 1/8 rods. For the thickness material that I'm working with, I was running at about 110 amps using 240 volt. Before in the welding with 7018, you do want to make sure that your material is nice, cleaned, and prepped up. And for my root pass, I just like to do a up and down zigzag. It's pretty easy. It's just all about making sure you're evening out your puddle between the top plate and the bottom plate. It's all in the consistency. Make sure you're pushing that rod in consistently. Make sure you're not going too fast or too slow. You do want to clean up after every pass so that your slag won't get trapped under any welds, which if you're welding hot enough, it should just come up by itself. For my second pass, I like to do what I call the stitching technique. It's basically just dragging your puddle forward and then back into your previous puddle momentarily. And as I said before, clean up after every weld. And for my third pass, my top pass, we pretty much just gonna go back to the first technique, which was the up and down zigzag. And the only difference from this one and the first one is just gonna be speed. We're gonna be moving a little bit faster on this one. And there you guys have it. If y'all follow my tips, you should have something like this. Thank you for watching.